So I did my hair with it today to show you. You can see it has quite the volume. I have no products in my hair at all. I wanted to show you exactly how it worked and how it's styled. I will show it a little bit later in the video of how to use it. But first, let's get into the cons because I feel like that's always the part that people want to know. This is expensive. It's not inexpensive, it is expensive. It is an investment for sure. So you have to keep that in your mind. Now, I have the one with 3 attachments. I have the air wraps. You can see here, the round brush, and the styling concentrator. Now, I feel like everyone wonders, does your hair last all day, the next day when you curl it, when you style it? On my hair, no, it does not. I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it. And it will look like this for the majority of the day, and then it will start to fall. Things that I found that helps it is hairspraying, and you are supposed to use the cool shot on it right here. There's a button, so you choose the heat setting, the air setting, and then this cool shot. So as you are using it on your hair, you're supposed to use the heat, and then you're supposed to hit the cool shot on it to seal in the hair cuticle. Okay, I do not do this. I do not have time for this. Maybe if you are more patient than I am, you might use this and find that it helps your hair stay longer. I feel like this is a big con for this. I don't have the patience or the time to sit here with it, with the heat setting, and then using it on the cool setting as well for each section of my hair. I find it really annoying. I don't like that. The second con to this, when I am using the air wrap curlers, you can see in the video that they don't always automatically wrap to all of the hair that you want. There is a big learning curve with this. You have to use the right amount of hair. If you use too much, it won't auto wrap like it's supposed to. And a lot of times I have to help my hair kind of wrap itself around it. It's not a huge deal, but it is nice that it helps to auto wrap, and I would love if it did it all the time, but it just doesn't do that. Another thing that you might find annoying if you have less patience like me, there is a left and a right one. Now this is nice because you can decide which side that you are curling and which direction, but you do have to switch it out if you want it to go the other way. Again, like I said, not a huge deal, just something to note that you are having to switch these out. It is really user-friendly you just have to pop it on like that and it just snaps on, and then you hit the button and it'll come right off. One last con I will say, when I am styling my hair and blow drying it, especially when using the air wrap curlers, because the buttons are right where you kind of have to grab it, a lot of times I will accidentally hit the buttons for the heat or the air, and I will turn off the heat as I'm working on curling my hair and not realize till halfway through that it's no longer hot anymore. So that is an annoyance of that. Okay, let's get into what I love about this product. I showed you how easy it was to snap on and off all the tools. I love that it feels way less damaging to my hair than regular blow drying and also heat styling with a curling iron or other heat products. I feel like my hair has gotten so much healthier, bouncier. I feel like it just adds a good amount of shine whenever I use it, and my hair does not feel brittle and dried out after using it. I really think it has helped the health of my hair tremendously using it after a year of having it. I have 100% noticed the difference in my normal blow dryer versus using the Shark. So Shark FlexStyle actually regulates their low temperature 1,000 times per second, which is crazy. The more that you use it, it does not get hotter. It maintains the same temperature the entire time you're styling. And I really feel like it just helps maintain the integrity and health of your hair. Now let's talk about the price point. So it retails anywhere from $300 and up, including some of the attachments. Now that definitely is an investment for a hair blow dryer for sure. Now, if you have the money to spend, if you want to splurge on it, I would say absolutely it is worth the price point. I paid for it myself and bought it. I have had this for over a year now. Like I said, it is still going strong. I know that Shark does a warranty on it as well. So make sure if you do buy one that you get it registered so you can have that warranty if anything were to happen. It is extremely user friendly. So I'll show you It switches really easy to down here. If you want to use like the styling concentrator with it, it just pops on like this, really easy. And then you can use it to do straight styles, and then the air wraps, which are my favorites. Today I did the round brush and finished off with the air wraps. It does not give you curls like if you were to do it on a curling iron, but it does just help accentuate if you have layers and add in that volume as well. And I will show you at the end of the day kind of how the hair has fallen and what it looks like after a long day. Okay, here is after an hour. You can see it kind of has settled down the curl, but the volume is still going strong, and I will show you in a couple more hours what it looks like. Okay, it's about 8 hours later. The sun is already setting, sad, but I wanted to show you my hair after about 8 hours. If you can see, the curls fell, like I said, happens. You can see there's still just a tiny bit, but it's really not curly like it was at the beginning. It has still maintained though its volume without having any product in. I'm hoping you can kind of see the amount of volume that is still in my hair. And even without the curls, it still does a good job of maintaining its volume. And then tomorrow I'll wake up and my hair will be just smooth. And I find it gets greasy less quick when I blow dry it this way. If you're looking for something that curls your hair and keeps a curl for days on end, I would say this is not for you. If you are looking for something that keeps your hair healthy, that gives it some body and dimension, and you're okay with not keeping a curl but maintaining the integrity of your hair and then just the volume, I would definitely recommend this product. This has replaced all of my hair tools. I only use this on a daily basis now. I just feel better about using it on my hair with less heat damage, and over the course of the year I've really noticed that it's almost helped improve my hair health because I'm using less heat damaging tools. If you are interested in checking this out, there is a link down below that helps support this channel. I would love to make more videos like this reviewing things for you, because I know that I find these kind of videos really helpful when I'm trying to figure out if I should invest in something.